Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Xbox and Fortnite are updated, because mismatched versions block chat. Next, plug in your headset and test it under Xbox settings, devices, and connections so you rule out hardware faults. Once done, sign into your Epic account and open Fortnite's audio settings to enable voice chat and set voice chat method to open or push to talk as appropriate. This gets cores configured before deeper network work. Now you tackle networking, because voice relies on clear UDP connections. Check your NAT type in network settings. Open avoids relay servers. If NAT is moderate or strict, enable UPnP on your router or forward necessary ports like UDP 3074 and UDP 3478, 3479, and TCP 5222. These ports let game voice traffic. Finish by verifying everything in real conditions. Invite a friend to party and test in-game voice so you can observe latency and any audio clipping. Once changes are applied, fully power cycle the Xbox and router to clear caches that keep old NAT state. If problems persist, swap headsets to isolate hardware, try switching voice chat method between open and party, and test on cellular hotspot to identify ISP filtering. If that narrows it down, escalate to Epic or your ISP for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.